China has introduced a new Navy missile destroyer Hefei 052D class, which, along with two other ships of this type, Kunming and Changsha, will strengthen the combat capability of the Chinese Navy, the newspaper China Daily. The ceremony of transferring the ship to the Southern Fleet of the PLA was held last Saturday at the naval base in Sanya, Hainan Province. Our sailors and officers got acquainted with the advanced equipment and weapons on the ship. In the near future we will focus on the teachings to enter the ship in full operation in a short period of time, he said in an interview with the captain of the destroyer, Commander Chow An-pon. According to him, the ship is particularly strong in target detection and air defense. It is reported that Hefei is the most advanced destroyer ever built by China. As writes the edition, the ship hosted a wide range of weapons, including 130mm single-barrel artillery installation, weapon system short-range, anti-aircraft weapons and cruise missiles of class surface-to-surface. The destroyer also has a configuration with a small radar signature. The first ship of the type 052D Kunming, was introduced into the Navy of China in March last year. The second ship Changsha, received for active service in August this year.